Hi everyone, this is Shark Tarot. Welcome to this channel. Here I am with Aries love reading today. We are going to ask few things from the universe and let's start. So I have shuffled the cards probably and now I'm going to see what is coming to you. Aries, starting off with your energy, we get 6 of cups. We also get Ace of Wands. For me, I feel that Aries, you are missing this person very badly. I think whenever you are thinking, whenever you are sitting, whenever you are at a place to have somebody, you think about this person from your past, or it could be a new person you have met maybe 6 days ago, 6 weeks ago, 6 months ago, or probably it could be six years relationship stayed into it. I feel with this Ace of Wands that you are wanting to start or build a passion for someone. So you have built it already because you are thinking about this person already day and night sort of thing. So I am sensing that you are wanting to have a new beginning, new passionate beginning with this person. Now, let's see with whom are you dealing? What are Aries persons dealing with? So, who are the signs or signatories which we get, which Aries are dealing with? We have on the table an earth energy and a water energy, probably. So, I feel that you could be dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, Aries, or you could be dealing with a water sign, specifically Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. So maybe this could be in your person's chart, or if it is not their sun sign, you could go and have this as your as the person's moon sign, or maybe it could be in the person's placement probably. So what I'm sensing over here, that is it. Now the next question for my Aries people is, what are this person feeling towards Aries? What do they have? What are their feelings? Okay. Oh, wow. My God, Aries, I feel that this person has a passionate desire to communicate something to you. This person is coming up to you with some earthy energy, probably what I see here. There's also water sign popping out again. And this person wants to tell something very lovable, very deep, very emotional sort of thing. This person is very emotional, I see, or this person, whatever is coming up to you, could be very romantic in sense, or he could plan something. I'm sensing that. Okay, so the next question for my Aries people is, they let us know what is going in the background which they are not able to tell you, but they are wishing or wanting to tell it to you. What are those energies? Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. Aries, I feel that this person is wanting a reconciliation with you. I see this Three of Cups as a reconciliation energy with you. This person is probably wanting to have this, but something or the other is stopping this person because I see that there is pain, there is some kind of betrayal. This person is probably underestimating themselves, and they feel that you could have a lot of different choices, and this person may not be the one whom you are wanting to choose. So they are a bit, striving themselves to be a bit back. They are not coming forward with all these desires, with all these reconciliations. Wow, Aries. Let's see what the universe is telling Aries about this connection. We have this Two of Cups. I feel that Aries, there could be, a communication which is going to happen. This person is standing stick, and this person is telling that I want to reconcile with Aries. They have this Two of Cups, and they are standing still, and they are really really waiting passionately to um communicate with you, to share this two of cups with you, and this person is not wanting to be in dilemma anymore, like thinking about you sort of thing. This person is wanting to come towards you with this two of cups. That is it. Now it depends on you, Aries, if you are wanting to have this, because I see communication from their part. I see a desirous communication from their part. Again, a communication card popped out. I just feel this person is standing, this person has this passion, aggression of standing still and waiting for you to say a yes. So that is all I have for you, Aries. Okay, let me grab one card from the universe to complete the whole reading. What could be the card? Okay, universe, just grab me one card for Aries persons, what they want to do this week. Okay. Wow, Aries, you have this beautiful energy. So universe is telling you that if you are juggling um in between two persons and sort of thing, I think universe is telling you to complete that cycle, because this person is great for you. Maybe either you are wishing for this person or this person is wishing for you, or both of you are doing such thing, but a cycle has to be end, maybe from your side or from their side, and this is gonna come up, this is gonna last for a very happy ending. So that is all I have for you, Aries. Hope you enjoyed the reading, hope it resonated with you, and do like, subscribe to my channel, and any sort of confusion if you have, you could comment it in the comment section below. Thank you, Aries, for watching this.